So, as a guy, not being into skincare might seem unusual, but trust me, it's actually the exact opposite. You see, just look at these two photos and let me tell you, women are going to find the second guy even more attractive. Give it up for a 5th grade kid. There's no way he can see the second guy as appealing. With clear skin, you instantly look healthier, more confident, and more alluring. But worry, most skincare tips out there are just a huge waste of time, you know. DIY serums, random advice, and those never helpful homemade things. So, here's the real deal for every man who needs to get clean, beautiful skin. Follow these 7 simple steps, and you're good to go. Firstly, avoid touching your face with no reasons. Your hands can have way too many bacteria from everything they touch. The next challenge will be easy. Every time you do it without a good reason, just consider it as a loss. You'll help break that bad habit. Secondly, always use sunscreen, even if it's just for a moment while driving. Check out this guy whose face is terribly sunburned on one side. That's what sun does, because it causes wrinkles and aging. Third, never forget to cleanse your face properly by using a gentle face wash instead of soap or shampoo, because your skin is a little more delicate than others. Consider that challenge. Wash your face, and if it feels dry, you've got dry skin. If it feels oily in parts, that's combination. And if it feels squeaky clean, that's normal skin. For dry skin, look for moisturizer. For oily skin, try some lactocalamine, but use it just once a day, or you can cause more oily skin issues. If your skin is normal, go with a vitamin C serum. Fourthly, don't forget to exfoliate every week to get rid of dead skin cells. Just clean up as if you're cleaning windows, making your skin smooth, bright, and better for all your products to work correctly. Make sure not to overdo it, because your skin could get red and sensitive. Fifthly, after washing, apply a vitamin C serum, or create your own skincare routine according to your skin's requirements. To figure out your skin type, do the following. Just wash your face. Let it air out for some time and feel the sensation. If it feels dry, you've got dry skin. If it's oily in some places, it's combination. If it's oily all over, that's oily skin or normal skin. For dry skin, look for hydrating skincare products like moisturizer. To help with oily skin, try some vitamin C products like serum. Lastly, remember to stay healthy with a strong liver and good digestion. Good food, like eggs, can provide essential vitamins like which contribute to getting good-looking skin. There you have it, following these 7 steps. You'll get clear, glowing skin that can be noticed by everyone. If you feel like this routine helped us, don't forget to like and subscribe.